Yeah, sure.
So, can you first introduce yourself a little bit and tell us what your workstation is about?
Yeah, I am Po-Hao Chi. I am from Taiwan, and I usually work with sound and different kind of technology, new and old technology. And my station is an AI-generated radio podcast. So you can see I have one RTL SDR. This is a software-defined radio. So I am now receiving signals from all the stations. It's now in my broadcasting, and I asked the AI to interpret the signals. And I have one environmental sensor, so I regard them as the invisible layers in the environment. So, and the AI interprets those invisible layers and generates new text. And I turn it into spoken words as a radio channel. Yes. And I also make an interface. This is that audience can change the style and content. So it changes the style of the program or post of the broadcast.
So is this your transmitter? Transmitter is over here.
Yeah. This is an environmental sensor.
Environmental sensor.
It gives the temperature, humidity, PM 2.5, CO2, air pressure, things like that.
And during this Radiotopia few days, can you tell us something that surprised you, or that you learned, or that you're going to take away with you, or do more of?
Yeah, I mean, I found it quite interesting because there's a workshop with AM computer, and I realized that during AM, like a lower frequency, it's very easily to have interference, like with like a remote control or different kind of electronics. You can generate something in radio, and so I found it's very analog and very direct. And also some people working with very weak, like the weak signal. And that's also very interesting because you cannot really communicate. You transmit like 1, 0, but it can across the very far distance. So that's also making me feel very impressive. So yeah.
So do you think you'll continue to work with radio signals?
Yeah, I think I will. I mean, for me, it's all about like telecommunication, is like a scope of telematic art. So I want to continue thinking of like we have radio, we have internet, we have different protocols. How can we react to this kind of different ways of communication? Yeah.
Thank you.